Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Gemini. So if your sun, moon, rising or your Venus is sitting in the sign of Gemini, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Magician card. A lot of things, that you had thought were not going to happen or were not going to come true. Well, apparently they are coming true in the month of May. So a lot of things are going to move ahead. So if things have been stagnant in your relationship, things are going to move ahead, that's for sure. Another thing that you have to remember, or think of this as a guideline from the cards, is that you have very strong power to manifest. I think it was something similar to what you got last month, that you have this power, and I'm not sure if you guys are utilizing it or not. But for you guys, because this is the reading for Geminis, and Geminis are related to your hands, so if you write and you manifest, the chances of it coming true are even higher. Let's see what other messages I have for you. It does seem like you guys are going to be full of confidence, and you guys are going to figure out exactly what it is that you want in life, especially when it comes to your love life. I think you're very motivated, you're very positive about where it is going and how things are going to go. And the next card that I have for you is the Hierophant. Now, Hierophant tells me, a lot of people who are going to be, who are going to pick this, two things can happen. Either you are already in a relationship, and this relationship is sort of, very structured. It's like you are in this relationship either because you're already married, or you're too worried about what people are going to think. And a lot of this Magician energy is coming from the fact that you don't want people to judge you, you don't want to be judged by people. And the Hierophant also tells me a lot of you could be getting married, because Hierophant also represents signing legal documents. So legal documents in regards to your relations, to your love life, or maybe moving to a house together and signing the papers of the apartment together. So those sort of things are very prominent. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Cups, which tells me that there is going to be something that you guys are going to celebrate, you guys are going to enjoy. So a lot of time could be spent, not a lot, but a significant time could be spent, either meeting people, getting to know people, or there will be some kind of ceremony like a wedding, engagement, or something that's going to bring people together. And it could be like a social event, and you guys are going to shine super bright. Let's see what other messages I have for you. Oops. The next card that I have for you guys is the Queen of Pentacles. So a lot of cleaning is going to happen, as you can see. So especially the ladies who are watching this, I feel like you are going to be treating your man right. You are going to be doing a lot of things. For people who are single, who are talking to a potential partner, I feel like this is something you are going to emphasize on, that a lot of things, you can do a lot of things, a lot of things to cook. So bringing out your homely side to your partner would actually work very well for you. And I see, like in the month, this is what you guys are going to do. You're going to be discussing housework, things, what you can do for your home, and things you can improve. So a lot of things which are related to your hands. See, even here hands are involved. So reorganization at home, changing things at home is very, very prominent. The next card that I have for you is the High Priestess, which tells me that you're going to be very psychic, in a sense that you know exactly what you want, how you want it. That's why I said your power of manifestation is like super duper high. It's literally at the peak. So if you guys decide that you want something, the chances are you will end up getting it. Manifestation is going to work in your favor. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Eight of Cups. I have the Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups is about planning long term, so nothing short term. I do feel like there is a decision that has to be made, especially for people who are planning to get married. And you guys are actually thinking about the sort of life you can have with this person, and what this thing can bring you. Some of you may also be dealing with somebody who's in a long distance relationship, because I'm feeling like there's a long term planning involved. So whether you are with the person or you are manifesting this person, it does seem like a lot of you are going to be focused on long term, like thinking about your future, planning your future, and doing all those things related to your future. Let's see what other cards we have for you. The next card that I have for you guys is the Seven of Pentacles. That means you have invested very wisely. Maybe you have been hanging out or dating the same guy for a really long time, and finally it's time to reap the fruits of this particular labor that you have done. So things could be going towards marriage, that's for sure. Either marriage, engagement, some kind of commitment. All those things do seem very prominent in this reading. Let's see what other information I have. There's also a possibility that you guys might be getting together. Either you're going to plant trees or you're going to do something together for the society as a couple. So if you are thinking about doing something, or doing something together, giving each other a gift, apparently trees seem to be a very good idea in your case. The next card I have for you is the Star, which is telling me some dream is going to be fulfilled. So I'm going to repeat this again. You can hate me for it, but if you manifest, guys, you are going to get it. Doesn't matter if it's love, it could be anything in your career, it could be something simple in your life. You are 100% going to get it. And if you look at the bottom of the deck, I have the Ten of Pentacles, which tells me a lot of money is going to come towards you. Financially, you are going to be abundant. A lot of things will fall into your lap, and this is going to be the result of all the hard work that you have done. A little different, like a little off the love reading, but for some of you there is also chance of getting promotion in your job or whatever it is that you are doing. Let's see from Love Oracle what sort of messages I am getting for you guys. The first card that I have for you guys, some of you might also be having kids, or you already have a kid and then you're planning to get married, and you and your kids are going to get together, you're going to spend time together. So all those things are also important. Now from the Love Oracle, the message for you is keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Now this is for all the people, especially all the singles who are doing this. That's why I'm saying you manifest and you're going to get it. The person could be in a position of power. They could be working as a counselor, a guide, or they could be somebody who has those qualities. So especially for singles, that's what I am looking at. The next oracle love message for you is religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Now the Hierophant also represents somebody who's in a religious either institute, or they are in a place where they're coming from religion. I also told you it represents legal, right? In this case, legal is related somewhat to religion, because it is only under religion that they tell you you have to sign documents to be legally married. So those things are very prominent for you, and some way or the other they are going to influence next month for you. Let me know if this reading resonate, and don't forget to check out your readings by your zodiac and by your date of birth.